Hello friends, today we will see how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. So let's get started. You can see here that this website is not secure. So, we have to redirect HTTP to HTTPS to secure this site. At first, log into your control panel. Then, search redirects. Then, select your domain or subdomain here. Now, enter the address of that domain with HTTPS. Select the second option, redirect with or without www. Now, click the Add button. It is successfully redirected HTTP to HTTPS now. Then, open that site and reload it. You can see it's showing secure now. If you have enjoyed this video, then like it and subscribe to our channel. If you want a fast and reliable hosting for your business and blog, then Hostiera.com is the best option for you.